forecast.
Selected screen recording button.
Cloudy. A chance of rain showers through mid-afternoon, then a chance of rain showers and a slight chance of thunderstorms. Highs in the lower 70s. South winds 10 to 15 miles per hour becoming southwest 15 to 25 miles
Scanner
per hour.
radio, close button, close,
Chance of rain 50%.
back button, angle area no,
Partly cloudy in the evening, then becoming cloudy. Lows in the mid-40s. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Gusts up to 30 miles per hour in the evening. Thursday, rain showers likely in the afternoon. Highs in the lower 60s. Southwest winds around 10 miles per hour becoming east in the afternoon. Chance of rain 60%. Thursday night, windy. Rain showers and a slight chance of thunderstorms. Lows in the upper 30s. East winds 15 to 20 miles per hour becoming northwest 20 to 25 miles per hour overnight. Gusts up to 40 miles per hour. Chance of rain 90%. Friday, mostly cloudy with a 40% chance of rain showers until midday, then mostly sunny in the afternoon. Highs in the low.
angle,
Sunny late in the
close,
afternoon.
close,
Highs around
Gaylord area NOAA weather,
into this evening.
close
North
button,
Central and northeast lower Michigan and portions of eastern upper Michigan.
Onondaga area NOAA weather, close,
In the lower 30s.
close,
Saturday.
Sir, Michigan, Sir, angle area NOAA,
Showers. Highs in the upper 50s. Saturday night, partly cloudy in the evening, then becoming mostly cloudy. A 40% chance of rain showers.
angle,
Thursday night, windy.
close,
Showers and a slight chance of a
Gaylord area NOAA weather,
rain was falling with a temperature of 52 at Alpena, 52 at
Michigan,
Elgin,
head,
and
Sir,
45 at
Onondaga area NOAA, close, close,
This is the National Weather Service in Grand Rapids. The signal you just heard was our weekly test of the following NOAA All Hazards weather radio stations. WXK 81 in Onondaga, WXN 99 in West Olive, WWF 36 in Hesperia, KZZ 33 in Mount Pleasant, KIG 63 in Cannonsburg, WWF 34 in Plainwell, WNG 672 in Wolf Lake. This is Severe Weather Awareness Week in Michigan, which continues through Saturday, March 27th. While the state is taking steps to mitigate the spread of COVID-19 in Michigan, we want to remind residents that our severe weather season is approaching. This includes tornadoes, flooding, high winds, and other severe weather that could disrupt our daily lives. While we are practicing social distancing, we do not encourage you to gather in groups for drills, but ask that you take some time to review your severe weather plan. Disasters don't plan ahead, but you can. If this alert had been for an actual tornado warning or severe thunderstorm warning, you would have been instructed to seek safe shelter immediately. Additional severe weather safety and preparedness information can be found on our website at weather.gov/Grand Rapids.
Gaylord area NOAA, angle area NOAA weather, close button.
KXI 94 in Angle.
Close. Gaylord area NOAA weather radio,
Chance of showers 50%.
close.
Thursday.
Onondaga area NOAA weather,
On a frequency of 162.40
Close.
megahertz.
Onondaga, South Bend area NOAA weather radio,
For the period Thursday through Tuesday. Please listen to NOAA
Close.
radio or go to
on search, angle area NOAA,
Relative humidity
close
72%.
button. Angle area, Onondaga area NOAA, Gaylord area NOAA weather, Onondaga area NOAA weather,
The pressure was 29.73
Close.
inches in
Onon, Southwest Olive area NOAA weather, radio WXN 99, multiple counties in Michigan, weather, 0 listeners. Open, West Olive area NOAA, close, close. West South Bend area NOAA weather, radio close, close. Onondaga area NOAA weather, close, but Onondaga, Gaylord area NOAA weather. Closed.
2 p.m.
Angola area.
Slight chance of thunderstorms. Temperature 59. South winds 15 miles per hour. At 4 p.m., numerous showers and slight chance of thunderstorms. Temperature 60. South winds 15 miles per hour. At 6 p.m., mostly cloudy, scattered showers. Temperature 57. Southwest winds 4.
Angola. Close button. Close. Gaylord area NOAA weather. Close.
54. Southwest wind 14 miles per hour. Here is the weather synopsis for eastern upper and northern lower Michigan.
Onondaga area NOAA. Close. Close.
Showers through mid-afternoon, then a chance of rain showers and a slight chance of thunderstorms. Highs in the lower 70s. South winds 10 to 15 miles per hour, becoming southwest 15 to 25 miles per hour in the afternoon. Chance of rain 50%. Tonight, partly cloudy in the evening, then becoming cloudy. Lows in the mid-40s. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Gusts up to 30 miles per hour in the evening. Thursday, rain showers likely in the afternoon. Highs in the lower 60s. Southwest winds around 10 miles per hour, becoming east in the afternoon. Chance of rain 60%. Thursday night, windy. Rain showers and a slight chance of thunderstorms. Lows in the upper 30s. East winds 15 to 20 miles per hour.
South Bend area NOAA. Onondaga, Gaylord area NOAA weather. Radio double.
Gusts up to 40 miles.
Angola area NOAA.
No hazardous
Close.
weather is
Close.
expected at this time.
Onondaga.
Now the extended outlook for the period Thursday through Tuesday. Please listen to NOAA Weather Radio or go to weather.gov on the internet.
Onondaga.
West winds
Close.
15 to
Close.
25 miles per hour with gusts to around 35 miles per hour, decreasing to 10 to 15 miles per hour in the afternoon. Friday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the lower 30s. Saturday, partly sunny with a 50% chance of rain showers. Highs in the upper 50s. Saturday night, partly cloudy in the evening, then becoming mostly cloudy. A 40% chance of rain showers. Lows in the upper 30s. Sunday, partly sunny until midday, then becoming mostly sunny. A 20% chance of rain showers. Highs in the upper 40s. Sunday night, mostly clear. Lows in the upper 20s.
Onondaga.
Monday, sunny.
Close.
Highs in the mid
Onondaga, Gaylord area NOAA weather. Radio W.
South winds 15
Close.
miles per
Close.
hour.
Angola area NOAA weather.
Storm.
Close.
Lows
Close.
in the lower 40s.
Onondaga area NOAA weather.
Thanks for listening
Close.
to your weather radio station
Angola area NOAA weather.
20 to 30 miles
Close.
per hour with gusts up to 45 miles per hour toward daybreak.
1:08 p.m. Status loc 30 loc 1 in Venger at NT. Status cellular 3 of 4 at Vex Y blue media playback pre-stop net locked in bright flashlight top count selected screen recording button. Double tap and hold to show more controls. Actions available.
10 to 15 miles per hour in the afternoon. Friday night, mostly clear. Lows in the mid-30s. Saturday, mostly cloudy in the morning, then becoming partly cloudy. A 40% chance of rain showers. Highs in the lower 60s. Saturday night, partly cloudy with a 40% chance of showers. Lows in the upper 30s. Sunday, cooler. Partly cloudy in the morning, then becoming mostly sunny. Highs in the upper 40s. Sunday night, colder. Mostly clear.
Back button. Back button. Back button. New Jersey, North, Ohio, Oklahoma, Bartlesville, Fayetteville area, Oklahoma City area.
In the upper 30s. Tuesday, mostly sunny. Highs in the mid-60s.
Oklahoma. Close, but close.
with a temperature of 47. Once again at noon, at Oklahoma City, it was cloudy. The temperature was 50. The following is your hazardous weather outlook. This hazardous weather outlook is for portions of northern, western, central, and southern Oklahoma, and western North Texas.
Day 1. Through tonight, thunderstorms. Strong to severe thunderstorms are possible Wednesday evening and tonight across parts of southern Oklahoma and western North Texas. Hail up to the size of quarters and wind gusts up to 60 miles an hour are possible with these storms. Spotter and emergency management statement. Storm spotter groups and emergency management personnel across southeast Oklahoma should be ready for severe weather operations this evening and overnight. Days 2 through 7, Thursday through Tuesday, thunderstorms. Thunderstorms are possible early Thursday morning over southeast Oklahoma. These storms are not expected to be severe. Fire weather. Elevated fire weather conditions are possible on Friday over western Oklahoma and western North Texas due to breezy south winds, warm temperatures, and low relative humidity. Elevated fire weather is also possible next Monday. Get graphics and more details at weather.gov/Norman and follow our weather forecast office on Twitter and Facebook. You have just heard a test of the National Weather Service radio warning alarm feature. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at a greater distance from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. During severe weather, the warning alarm will be activated for severe thunderstorm and tornado watches, and for severe thunderstorm, tornado, and flash flood warnings. The warning alarm will also be used for civil emergency messages. A test of the warning alarm feature of National Weather Service Radio is conducted at 12 noon and 7 p.m. each Wednesday, unless there is a risk of severe weather in the area. From the Norman Forecast Office, here is the forecast for Oklahoma City and surrounding area.
Screen recording in progress button.